Exacto Test HIV is a self-screening test for HIV, the virus responsible for AIDS. This test, with a 99.9% accuracy, consists of antigens and is capable of detecting antibodies fighting against HIV-1 and HIV-2 3 months after contamination. To obtain reliable test results, you will need no more than 10 minutes. Before taking the test, make sure you are in a calm environment and read the instructions carefully. Before taking the sample, it is important to wash your hands with warm water in order to stimulate the blood circulation. Make sure each item is included in the kit and identify them while placing them on a flat and clean surface. Open the pouch and take out the test cassette. You will need to use it within 1 hour after opening it. Open the alcohol wipe and the sterile pad. Disinfect the tip of your finger with the alcohol wipe. Dry off any excess moisture with the sterile pad. Remove the cap from the lancet. To get the blood flowing easier, let your arm hang down by your side. Position the lancet on your fingertip and press the activation button while pressing firmly on the other end. To facilitate the sample, prick the side of your finger. There is more blood flow and it is less sensitive. Press on your fingertip so that a large drop of blood forms for the sample. Position the inverted cup vertically with the wide end on the drop of blood to fill it completely. Place the drop of blood into the square well blood. Make sure the bottom of the square is covered completely in red. Place 2 drops of diluent in the round well blood. Wait 10 minutes for the results. During this time, apply the provided plaster on the area that was punctured. After the 10 minutes are up, you can compare your results with the images provided in the instructions. If a band appears by the letter C, but not by the letter T, the test is negative. If a band appears by the letter C and by the letter T, the test is likely positive. The absence of a band by the letter C, the test is invalid. You must run the test again using a new cassette. Attention! A positive result must be confirmed by a laboratory test. Please contact your doctor or go to a screening center. Attention! Negative results do not exclude the possibility of an infection in case of risk of exposure dating less than 3 months. Do you have questions about HIV or other sexually transmitted diseases, or need help interpreting your self-test Exacto Test HIV? Contact the information hotline number listed in the package leaflet.